Hey, what's up guys? So finally after the Galaxy phones, the OneUi 8 update is now rolling out on the Galaxy watches as well. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra already got the OneUi 8 watch update, but now it is rolling out on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Yes, you heard it right, the wait is finally over and the OneUi 8 watch is now available for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. From Tarun Watts on Twitter, it is official that the OneUi 8 for the Galaxy Watch 7 series is officially released in Korea. And within the upcoming days or weeks, it will be released in other regions as well. For the other models, if we talk about the device list, so it includes the Galaxy Watch 4, 4 Classic, 5, 5 Pro, 6, 6 Classic, 7, Watch Ultra and the Galaxy Watch FE. From Google, I got this tentative device list and all of these devices will get the OneUi 8 watch update. To check for the update, simply go into the settings of your watch, then tap on software update, then tap on download and install. From here, you will get to see the new OneUi 8 watch update. If you talk about the new features, so you will get to see this now bar on your Galaxy Watch now with a refreshed user interface and updated gestures. The overall UI of the watch will get improved with some better gestures. If you talk about the control panel, so control panel will also get minor UI changes with the new update. The notifications will also get improved with the OneUi 8 update. And obviously with the new update, you will get to see some new watch faces as well. It also brings health and fitness upgrades including the antioxidant index, running coach, vascular road or the bedtime guidance features will be added with the new update. If you talk about the charging animation, so you will also get a new charging animation in the now bar, similar to that you get in your Galaxy phones. Something like this will be available in your Galaxy Watch. And that's it for today's video. This was a quick video to inform you that the OneUi 8 watch is now rolling out on the Galaxy Watch 7. Keep an eye on the software update of your watch. I have not got the update yet. Let me know in the comment section that have you got the update or not. And if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.